Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, no internet secured Windows 10 Wi-Fi connection. Wi-Fi is connected but no internet problem on Windows 10. First method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Internet Options. Click Connections, click LAN Settings. Check Automatically Detect Settings, click Advanced tab. Click Restore Advanced Settings, click Reset, check Delete Personal Settings, click Reset. Second method is type ncpa.cpl in Windows search bar, click ncpa.cpl. Right-click Wi-Fi, click Properties, uncheck Protocol version 6. Disable and then re-enable Wi-Fi adapter. Third method is type ncpa.cpl in Windows search bar, click ncpa.cpl. Right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click Properties, select Internet Protocol version 4. Check use the following DNS server addresses, type 888888844. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapters, right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. Fifth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapters, right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click Uninstall Driver, click Uninstall. Sixth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type netsh space, winsock space, reset. Type netsh space, int space, ip space, reset. Type ipconfig space, /flush DNS. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.